Good morning, all. Last day we have learned about exact differential equation. A differential equation is said to be exact if it can be derived from its primitive directly by differentiation without any subsequent multiplication, elimination, etc. We have a check to find whether the differential equation is exact or not. If an equation in the form m of xy plus n of xy y dash equal to 0 or in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, then if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then we can set that the given differential equation is exact, and we can find the solution of the differential equation by integrating m with respect to x, treating y as a constant, and integrate those terms of n that does not involves x with respect to y. Today we have to learn about integrating factors. Some differential equations in the form p of xy dx plus q of xy dy is not exact. We can transform the given differential equation by multiplying certain factors. That factors is called the integrating factors, that terms. So that integrating factors are need not be same. For example, in this note I have given an example as y dx minus x dy equal to 0. We know that derivative of x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by y square, and derivative of ln x by y is y dx minus x dy by xy, and derivative of tan inverse x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square. That is, the functions 1 by y square, 1 by xy and 1 by x square plus y square are integrating factors of the given differential equation y dx minus x dy equal to 0. Now we have three methods for finding integrating factors. First method is integrating factor found by inspection, and we have a problem for that. Second method is if the differential equation is p of xy dx plus q of xy dy equal to 0, such that 1 by q into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou x is a function of x only, say f of x, then e raised to integral f of x dx is an integrating factor of the above differential equation. In the third rule, we have if the differential equation is p of xy dx plus q of xy dy equal to 0 and 1 by p into dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y is a function of y only, then e raised to integral f of y dy is the integrating factor. Now we can do problems of three methods. Solve y minus 2x cube dx minus x into 1 minus xy dy equal to 0. We can expand, we can rewrite the given equation as y dx minus 2x cube dx minus x dy plus x square y dy equal to 0. Again we can rewrite this as minus of x dy minus y dx minus 2x cube dx plus x square y dy equal to 0. By inspection we can find see that minus 1 by x square is an integrating factor. multiplying with minus 1 by x square with the above equation, we get minus of x dy minus y dx by x square, and minus minus this will be plus, minus next term is 2x cube dx divided by minus 1 by x square വരുമ്പോൾ minus minus this will be plus x cube by x square x dx minus y dy equal to 0, which implies, now integrate the above, we can write this as derivative of y by x plus this is the 2x dx, this is x square, derivative of x square minus derivative of y square by 2 is equal to 0, or y by x plus x square minus y square by 2 is equal to c. So this d derivative of y by x plus derivative of x square minus derivative of y square by 2, this is an exact equation and the solution is this one, or we could multiply the whole equation by 2x. So this becomes 2y plus 2x cube minus xy square is equal to 2xc is the solution. Next problem is solve the differential equation x square minus 2x plus 2y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. Here p is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2y square and q is equal to 2xy. So dou p by dou x, dou p by dou y, dou m by dou y പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് dou p by dou y, which is equal to 4y, and dou q by dou x, which is equal to 2y. So dou p by dou y not equal to dou q by dou x, but this is, therefore this is not exact. Now we can find dou p by dou y 1 by q into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou x. Dou q by dou x is equal to 1 by 2xy into 4y minus 2y. So this will be 2y by 2xy. So this 2y and 2y cancel. So this is a function of x only. Is 1 by x is a function of x only. Function of x only. So say f of x, then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral f of x dx is equal to e raised to 1 by x dx is equal to e raised to 1 by x is e raised to integral 1 by x dx, e raised to integral 1 by x is e raised to ln x dx, ln x, which is equal to x. So multiply the given equation by, so multiply given differential equation by x, we get x into p, x square minus 2x plus 2y square dx plus x into 2xy dy is equal to 0. That is x cube minus 2x square plus 2xy square dx plus 2x square y is dy is equal to 0. So this is an exact equation, exact differential equation. So integrate m. So integrate m by with respect to x and integrate those terms of n that does not involve x with respect to y is the solution. That is integral of x cube minus 2x square plus 2x square xy square dx. There is no term in n without the only term in y. So that does not involve x. There is no term in n. So this term equal to 0, and next we can equate to c, which implies x raised to 4 by 4 minus 2x cube by 3 plus integral of 2x is x square y square is equal to c is the solution. Next problem is solve xy cube plus y dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y raised to 4 dy equal to 0. So p is equal to xy cube plus y. Q is equal to 2 into x square y square plus x plus y raised to 4. So dou p by dou y is equal to 3xy square plus 1. Dou q by dou x is equal to 2 into derivative of x square y square is 2xy square plus 1. Now consider 1 by p into dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y. നിങ്ങൾ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നിങ്ങൾ ഡോ പി ബൈ ഡോ വൈയും ഡോ ക്യൂ ബൈ ഡോ എക്സും എങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിലും കാണാം. എക്സാക്ട് if both of them are equal, then it's exact. Otherwise you have to find the difference. So if it is dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y ആണെങ്കിൽ ഹിയർ ഇത് പുറത്തുള്ളത് 1 by p ആയിരിക്കും. ഏതാണോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വരുന്നത് q ആണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ p ആയിരിക്കും. മറ്റേ കേസിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് y. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ ചെയ്ത പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ 1 by q ഇൻറ്റു ഡോ പി ബൈ ഡോ വൈ മൈനസ് ഡോ ക്യൂ ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് ഈസ് എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് എക്സ്. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 by ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് വൈ ക്യൂബ് പ്ലസ് വൈ. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഡോ ക്യൂ ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് ഈസ് 4xy square plus 2 minus 3xy square minus 1, which is equal to 1 by xy cube plus y into 4xy square minus 3xy square is xy square. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we could take from the denominator y, we can take outside, then this becomes xy square plus 1, which is equal to 1 by y is a function of y only. So which implies e raised to integral 1 by y dy is the integrating factor. So which implies e raised to integral 1 by y is e raised to ln y, which is equal to y is the integrating factor. Now multiply the given equation by y. That is y into xy cube plus y dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y raised to 4 into y dy equal to 0 is an exact equation. Now we can find the solution by, so integrate y into xy cube, the whole m term with respect to dx, and those terms of y which does not involves x. So this is integral of 2y raised to 4 into, so y raised to 5 dy equal to c is the answer. So this is when we integrate y into xy raised to 4, x square by 2y raised to 4 plus y square x plus 2y raised to 6 by 6 is equal to c is the solution. So we could cancel these 3 and now we can take the LCM as 6. Then this becomes 3x square y raised to 4 6y square x plus 2y raised to 6 equal to 6c, or which is equal to k, is the solution.